market or the potential bull market can finally be here. We've definitely got a bull run on some of our classic crypto tokens right now. The market is looking beautiful. We've got a nice correction in the market. So smash the thumbs up, leave a like, leave a comment if you are in crypto right now. If you're in DeFi, DeFi is also looking good right now, members and passengers. You know, once we get into the bull market, DeFi kind of blows up. Projects are less they're a little more lenient on the crypto users to rug, scam out, whatever you want to call it, backdoor. Potentially, we can't have that. So, welcome to today's video. You've seen the thumbnail, you've seen the title. We are talking about PIONEX, members and passengers. That's right. D-Life has been in PIONEX, if you don't know, since 2021. It's still there. It's a great exchange. Exchanges are where you make money now. And I've never, in the last cycle, done the exchange, the trading thing. And remember, I've been doing some research, and I've always said on this channel that I want to get back into trading. Well, I'll be truthful. I tested out the waters. I did my own TA. I marked up the chart, and I decided not only to just trade crew members, but also leverage trade, which I've never done before. Well, CFDs, but back then I didn't even know if it was leverage or margin or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I decided to take a leverage trade. So leverage trading is something that I think that with more practice I'm going to get into. I am practicing, so I just want to highlight this. I just want to show that you can do it on PIONEX. If you got into PIONEX with me, I've had the bot running since 2021. But anyway, enough rambling on. Let's get into this PIONEX account. Let's show you my trade, my first Bitcoin trade ever on PIONEX, crew members and passengers. Let's get into the drum roll right now. Here we go. So as you can see, crew members, your boy is up 5.8197%. Just before I started the video, we were up about 61%. This, of course, this is a demo account. This account was over 6,000. And yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna download this picture for history. Me making my first. Let's see. Let's go with this one. Let's go with profits. And all right, let's do. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, there we go. It's downloading. So there we go. PTC, PUSD perpetual. This is a perpetual trade. Futures trading, all that great stuff. Remember. So there you go. I made a successful trade on my first trade. What was my trade about? Let's talk about it. Welcome, members. Here's where I sold. Well, I opened up my sell. That was my position size back, and that was on the 25th of November. And as you can see, today is the 26th. And I opened up a position of 1 BTC. That was a leverage trade. The capital that was used to put in was 10,000 to leverage 100,000. So technically, remember, this is a $100,000 position that I opened up using the futures demo trading account, crew members. So it's amazing. It's the first time I've ever done it. There you go. You can see 10,141 was the size that I did, and I think this was my entry price right here at 98,283. So I decided to say to myself, you know what? I think Bitcoin is kind of tired right now. So let's go to the daily, and you'll see my thoughts. What I did that evening. That wasn't on the 25th. Let's go to the weekly. Let's go to the weekly so we can see where. All right, there we go. So, members, here is where I. Oh, can we move up on this chart? Can we move up on this? All right, let's zoom in. Let's see. That's not working. All right, there we go. Alrighty, so oh, we're not moving up on that. Let's build this up. Alright, so we are at. So this is my premise on this. Uh, I decided to say, you know what? If we get back down, we're probably going to get back down this area right here. And we've been in this area that's 70,000, early 60,000, and about 71,000. So we definitely need to come back to visit this area, definitely, because this is where we broke out. So I decided to take a sell because, you know what? We've been rallying ever since 53,000. Could you imagine that, group members? From 53,000, we rallied all the way to 99,000 in Bitcoin. So that is amazing. I decided to say to myself, it's about time now they take a rest. As you can see, RSI is one of my favorite indicators. I've been checking out the volume. We've had a lot of buying volume on the weekly, but as you can see, we got a little bit of selling volume coming in now, and I decided, you know what? Hey, I'm gonna take this trade. If well, this is my little my little line here. I decided to put here. Uh, as you can see here on the RSI. So this is where I have BTC coming down to retest this area. And of course, if it breaks, well, you know what? We're definitely going to the 50% mark on the RSI, which is the 48.81. Like I said, RSI is one of my favorite indicators. So my RSI was lining up with us being oversold. And when I checked it out, it was being oversold on the daily, the 4 hour, and the hour, even down to the 15-minute members. So it only made sense for D-Life to take a sell position. So there you go. You got market structure. You've got well, the trend. If it's it's an uptrend, yep. But we got the structure of the market, and then we've also got the psychology. What are traders doing right now? What are they thinking? Everybody is waiting for that big pie in the sky, 100,000. But are we going to get there? We weren't getting there. So that means we're a little bit exhausted, a little bit oversold. It's time for some people to take some profits. So there we go. Boom. I'm in it. And that was it for me. I took that sell using this, as you can see right there. This is my demo funds, 500,000. Took 500,000 out of that account, 10,000 out of that demo funds, and then yeah, that was it. Just decided to take that sell. So, members, I do believe I'm gonna probably start futures trading over on PIONEX. Of course, still making a few more trades because right now, let's see how we're looking on the 4 hour. Let's see how we're looking on the 4 hour right now, and just potentially getting to trading because trading right now is definitely gonna be on the up and up. Uh, you got to get into trading right now. This is where you're gonna, besides buying your alts or buying your favorite tokens and holding them and waiting for the Bitcoin dominance to get down, and then you know, take your profits in, leverage trading right now, and of course, trading in the right direction is what it's all about, members. So just trying to bring down this chart here so we can see what's going on, but it doesn't look like this is working. Let's open this up one more time. So as you can see, we are definitely selling off right now. Um, these moving averages, it's not the best right now. And as you can see on the 4 hour, on the 4 hour, yep, we broke that line just like what I said. Now we're coming down. So we could be looking for a bounce. So maybe I might just take some profits out of that demo trade and then look for the bounce and then put in another long, put in a long this time and go long with that trade, members. So there we go. That is my trade. Those are my my profits right there. My first ever leverage trade, of course, on a demo account. Only trade with funds you can afford to lose, and practice with a demo account if you're used to new to futures trading. The link will be in the description for PIONEX if you want to check out leverage trading. This is how you can really make those big gains. Of course, if you had 10,000 to put up, but you know what? Hey, we made what 5,000, 6,000 in 2 or 3 days. I think this was Saturday I did this. I opened up this trade, and yeah, there we go. It is what it is. All right. So make sure like, make sure comment, make sure subscribe to the Passive D Life Express, and I hopefully will bring in some more trading videos to you. I've got some other exchanges I'm gonna try this on. Binance, we've got PIONEX, we've got yeah, I'm just gonna give it a try. Every exchange that I've got crypto on, I'm just gonna use the underlying asset as crypto and leverage a percentage of that, and yeah, see if we could turn some of these crypto into purchasing more crypto. Get ready for the altcoin season. Purchase more alts. Let your deposit meet your expectations and accumulate whatever the token is that you like. So definitely, hopefully, I will be back here again and creating some more content, getting into more coin talk and the news, because right now the crypto market is juicy. See what's going on DeFi, all that great stuff. D Life is over and out. Do all the great stuff for me to the video.